Hey, it's Andrew with CardCam Central, and this is our 2019 update of the best microSD cards for dash cams. The biggest change is replacing older planar, aka flat memory construction, with 3D layered architecture. This makes cards cheaper by increasing density and more durable because memory cells are bigger. Our top pick is the $20 USD 64GB Samsung Pro Endurance. It uses 64-layer MLC construction, which doubles lifespan versus our former recommendations. As well, a big price drop in April makes it far more appealing. It also has the best lifespan and warranty of all consumer endurance cards right now. Endurance is important as all SD cards are slowly damaged when saving videos and eventually fail, causing your camera to stop working. You want to choose an endurance card. They are optimized to record longer before failing and have technology to ensure video files are properly saved without corruption. For those who need a 128GB or larger card on a budget, the Samsung EVO Plus or the new Sandisk Ultra A1 are okay picks. These are made from cheaper TLC NAND, which means they will likely fail early versus endurance cards. Still, these cards use 3D construction, making them more durable than our former budget recommendations. The rest of this review goes deeper on why endurance cards are worth spending more and when budget models are a good idea. If you already trust us and just want to buy a new card, see the description below this video for any updates from changing prices and new products being released, as well as a summary of our recommendations and good retailers so you avoid counterfeits. For disclosure, this is not a sponsored video and we purchase all cards at full retail price. With that out of the way, let's talk memory cards. This is a memory cell, one of many in your microSD card which holds data. When your dashcam erases older videos, the cell is hit with a charge of electricity which slowly damages it. Eventually, the memory cell stops working. When enough cells die, the card's controller will permanently prevent new video files from being written. Your microSD card no longer works and your camera stops recording. Endurance cards use multiple technologies to increase lifespan and reduce data corruption, ensuring your videos are properly saved. Pause for a summary. You can also read more in our article if you're interested. Samsung now leads the field for lifespan. Their card uses 64-layer 3D MLC construction to double the lifespan over our former Transcend and Sandisk endurance picks. Still, it's important to know that lifespan ratings are an average. Some cards fail quickly because of manufacturing defects. Others last much longer than expected. That explains how some users with 16GB no-name cards can last years without failing. Sometimes, you just get lucky and get an exceptionally well-made card. For the majority though, using the usual consumer cards will fail quickly, and most companies will deny a warranty when used in a dashcam. For example, Samsung's EVO Plus has a 10-year warranty, but the fine print will say it's not valid for dashcam use. Endurance cards always have a warranty. You can even save money as you won't have to buy a new card if it fails during use. For our Samsung pick, we chose the larger 64GB size as it gives superior peace of mind for a few dollars more. Still, if you need to save money, get the smaller 32GB card and not some generic brand. You'll have at least 2 hours of recording time on even our most data-hungry dashcams, which is more than enough if you get a traffic ticket or into an accident. The Pro Endurance also comes in a 128GB size. The extended recording time, 5-year warranty, and endurance are nice, but not necessary for most drivers. These larger cards are only needed for parking mode users and professional drivers to respond to complaints about their driving. Our runner-up pick is Sandisk High Endurance card. Launched in 2015, it's been proven reliable over the years with great worldwide availability, and it still works well with all our recommended cameras in 2019. It's a good alternative if Samsung's Pro Endurance is out of stock or overpriced in places like Australia. Still, there are drawbacks as it has a significantly reduced endurance rating and slower read speed with a price similar to Samsung. Looking at card speed, in 2019 it's not an issue. Nearly all cards sold meet the recommended specs of Class 10 or UHS-1, which is at least 10 megabytes per second written to the SD card. These are fast enough for even the most demanding cameras like the 2-channel 4K Blackview DR900S. Some cards are rated even faster at U3 or the new V30 format, but higher speeds won't improve the performance of your dashcam. Let's talk about our budget recommendations for 128GB and larger cards, the Samsung EVO Plus, EVO Select, and the new Sandisk Ultra A1. Only at these larger sizes is the price difference big enough to make a budget option worth considering. However, as we were making this review, Kingston, Western Digital, and Sandisk launched new high-endurance models. While none have better performance than Samsung, they could replace our runner-up endurance and budget picks in the future. Specifically the new Sandisk High Endurance, as it has a cheap 128GB and one of the first 256GB endurance models. Keep an eye out in the description for updates, as we'll need to test these cards out before recommending them. Going back to our current budget picks, we think all three cards are equally good. We use reliability reports from Street Guardian and Black Box My Car, who have sold thousands, which gives us data to say they have performed well, but not enough to say which is better. Hopefully, that explains how we use data to choose these cards versus the other cards on the market without an endurance rating. A few details to mention. The Select is a rebranded EVO Plus exclusively made for Amazon. It's the same hardware on the inside. Be aware of an older EVO Plus model, which is slower at U1 compared to U3 of the more modern version. As well, the Ultra A1 is a completely different card and much improved over the 2016 version we said was and still is terrible. In 2019, there are still counterfeit cards on the market. When buying, check if the seller is well known and trustworthy, especially if you're buying off of eBay and AliExpress. Even Amazon you should check, as the seller can unexpectedly change. We cover a lot more details in the article, and that is a summary of our recommendations. Link in the description. So that's it. Share this video with other dashcam users you know, as they could be using a bad card. We've heard of too many people only noticing their camera doesn't work after getting a ticket or into an accident. We also have a Facebook page where we post updates on what we're doing. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.